Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Do you live in an area that doesn't have street lights, maybe out in the country like us, and you want to go out to your barn, warehouse, or just your driveway and be able to see something? Well, then you need a set of motion sensor lights from ALUSSO. I got the solar paneled ones because we have limited electricity options out in our warehouse, and these have been working perfectly even though it's fall and we don't get as much sun as we do in the summertime. My husband was completely blown away the first time he saw these turn on at night. He did not expect solar lights to be so bright. It is exactly what we wanted. They're 1,000 lumen each. They only need 5 hours to charge up, and then they last a whole 8 hours before the battery dies. There are 3 different modes, and I have mine set on mode 3. So this will turn on when it senses motion, and then once it doesn't sense motion, I have it stay on for 60 seconds. But it's very customizable, so you can choose whatever is the best option for you. I was able to install these myself. The easiest way to do it for me was to take the bracket off and then use a power tool to install the screws on the wall and the post of our warehouse. If you need that illumination, you are going to love these lights. I can't recommend them enough, and that's my point of view.